Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. Today I'll be making this fun scrap clay pattern. And these are the basic supplies I used. Take some red clay and equal amounts of translucent clay, and then you'll mix them together. And this is just to cut down on the color bleed from the red. Cut off a section and set it aside. With the other, roll it out until it is very thin. And this is mine. Take whatever scrap clay you have, and then chop it up into whatever size pieces you would like. Be sure to break up any large pieces before forming it into a long tube shape. Gently press all the pieces together. And then you're going to take a roller and flatten it. This is about how thick mine is. You'll place your rolled out red clay on top. And then start trimming away the excess. And then rolling it up. Trim away the excess. Pinch the seams together and then gently roll. Using the rest of the clay, you're going to roll it out so that it fits through your pasta machine. I did roll mine out to a number 3. That is the third from the thinnest setting. Again, you'll trim away the excess clay. Roll it up. Cut away the excess. Pinch the seams together. And then gently roll it. If you do get an air bubble, you can just take your tissue blade, make a slice, and then roll it back together. Trim away the messy ends. And then I did put this in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Gently pinch to flatten. Use your roller to smooth it out. You want to cut them into even length sections. Mine are about 2 inches a piece. You can make yours as long as you'd like. You'll make another one, but this time don't wrap it in red clay on the outside. And I did put this in the freezer for about 10 minutes before pinching it down to flatten it. Cut these into the same length pieces. You'll want to lay out the pieces side by side. I'm doing rows of 4, and I will alternate between the red and then the clay that is not wrapped in red. Use a roller to join all the pieces together and to work out any air bubbles. And I'm also going to reduce it slightly so that it is more in a square shape. And I did put this in the freezer for about 10 minutes before cutting. And I am cutting it into a X shape at the top. And I rolled some black clay out using my pasta machine. And I rolled it out to a number 3. That is a third from the thinnest setting. And you'll wrap all of your pieces in this black clay, leaving the 2 ends open. And then join the pieces back together. And I did reduce it slightly. Cut off the messy end. And then cut the pieces into even length sections. And then you'll lay the pieces flat side by side. Use a piece of paper or an index card to burnish your piece. And you want to be sure to do both sides. You can also use a roller. And after burnishing it quite well, this is it. You can use this to make whatever you'd like. Earrings, boxes, bracelets, whatever. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!